All right, got in a little late here. Uh, I'm gonna go ahead and try and get filled on something here.
Order filled.
This is overwhelmingly
Order pending.
so we'll set the target for double top. These lines were again drawn pre-market. Market kind of follows suit. All right, got in even a little bit later. I probably would have liked to. My indicators say right here is an awesome place to be added here. All right, got up a little late. It's about watching the market here. The indicators are just loudly and wildly saying it's going to that point or this area, and I'll come back and reassess when it gets a little closer. Okay, we're back here, and the indicators are indicating that sideways might actually do a retracement really close to here. Not going to change my target because I really believe that it still has more to go down, but I don't think very much more than this area here, so we'll stop and see.
Order filled.
Alright, just missed my okay, the order actually got filled. Nice little couple points. So I got 6.9. Just pretty easily, just watching the market, watching indicators, watching correlation, watching covalence of things, and it's pretty easy actually. I'm glad the system works so well. And that's it for me for today. Might stick around because this kind of looking like it's actually looking like this could be a shoulder head area. If that's the case, this comes up to a 50, 60, 70% here. I may enter to take the long ride down, but I don't really know that right now. Or if it comes up here, I'm thinking that this is the general area it's coming down, which is 100 ticks on the TF here. So we'll see what happens, and I'm gonna go grab some more juice, and we're gonna come back and see if this is gonna make it work or not. All right, thanks. All right, here we are. This is actually really looking like an awesome. Could be a really great day. I may get taken out here. If I do, I'm going to get back in. Not really sure of the entry here. It could go up a little bit more, but I think that it's almost. I would say this is a 93.4% trade, if not a. I got almost the entire crew along with me on this one, so this is looking like a damn near 100% trade here. Like I said, I don't know if this is a perfect entry or not. I might get taken out, but I'm getting back in because this area is a 100% area. So let's see what happens, and we'll get back in touch. Okay, I just came back, seen this slowdown area. It's coming down to at least this double bottom down here. How do I know that? Just clearly by taking technicals and watching the market, knowing exactly how the market moves. Without a doubt or hesitation, it's going at least down to here. I'm actually looking for a place that I might be able to add more contracts to this, because it's going down here. It could even go down to this point here. Not real probable. At least I can't tell right now if it's coming down to this point here, which would be like, awesome. But, more realistically is here. Still even more realistically, it's hitting this point at least. So, pretty secure in knowing that from here to here would be like a zone to start looking for the indicators to say, okay, I've had enough, or nope, we're going to make it all the way down to here. So basically, we're just taking a look at seeing where we're going. You know, 6-tick stop loss, which is pretty common of mine. It did come back a little bit, and I'm like, minus 1 tick, but indicators all were pretty clearly functioning and saying where exactly it felt like going. So we'll see how we go. Okay, so I'm almost positive it's coming to this point at least, and I canceled my one order, so I have I'll also reinduce a stop loss, but I split my order into 3 separate orders. This one I know is going to hit, this one it probably will hit, and this one is kind of like, well, I'll probably move my stop loss to this area here, so I can guarantee myself, like an extra
Order
$500.
filled.
So there, that one order is definitely filling. This area here would be another point that I'm pretty sure it's going to come down and visit, and I'm going to go do something in the meantime. I'm going to create my stop loss, and I'll put my stop loss somewhere in this area here, and the reason I do that is so that that way, I know it's here, because if I guarantee myself profits, I can drag my stop loss down to this point here and guarantee myself money. That way I don't wonder if I feel like I'm doing something, because this looks like it's gonna take a little while to get where it's going, and that's okay. Everybody's on board for this going down a bunch more, so not really worried about anything that, any pop-ups or anything, but knew it was coming down to this point anyhow. So see you in a sec, or probably like more in an hour. Okay, so I actually had it come all the way down here and hit my area and had some long bars. Didn't get worried about this again, because I created a stop loss here, just follow down the strategy. So basically guarantee locked in profits. Like I said, these are preordained areas. I did do some measuring to find the other target points that I created before. I could have probably kept all 5. Not bad for, we entered here. I think the stop somewhere around here. So I mean, 91 ticks for the day, 9.1 points on the TF. Absolutely phenomenal. Love trending days. It looked like it was probably inspired with some news today, and that's absolutely wonderful. It actually turned out to be a absolutely wonderful trade. This is definitely one of the characteristics of a 100% trade here. And even though I got up a little late, missed a DT here, missed a decent opportunity here. It could have been a potential opportunity, but with news, probably wouldn't have been in that. I got a little something out of this here. And then we took this trade here. So absolutely wonderful day. I didn't give a gift. I could have given a gift here for on the entry. Had kind of a buzzed out moment. I was looking at a different market, looking at that, and pretty much that's pretty much the day. From here, it's looking like it's getting ready to. It might go down a little more. It may even. But it's definitely going to look like it's going to do a significant retrace. Would be an opportunity to go up, but I've had enough for the day. I'm already been on the market almost 2.5 hours. I did do some stuff in between. I was going to go to the gym, but I wanted to watch this trade, monitor it. I did take a shower and do some fun things, and I was just journaling a little bit which is always a fun thing to do. But hopefully you enjoyed this trade. Today is the 1st of October. Great way to start the month off, and absolutely awesome trading. Yeah, anyway, I just got back from the gym, absolutely feeling wonderful and great. Obviously, I'm a little bit more wide awake now. I got another shower in, and I got a really good workout in. Really love working out. Here we're about 1:15 here, and it looks like we missed the. It looks like we missed that up I was talking about. Wow, 6 points. That's okay though. But just to recap, see how we did today. Got in late here, woke up a little bit late. Got out a couple ticks before that area there for 2.6 or 26 ticks. Then from here to here was 93 ticks. So we'll just put this down here. We had 2.8. I think I had 3 contracts, and then we had 9.3 times 3 contracts, and then what else did we do here? Then we did from here to here 7.3, 6.4. So 6.4 times 1, and I think it was 7.3, but okay. Alright, so absolutely awesome, man. You know what I mean? Really, really good day. Really, really happy to have noticed that. I was actually thinking about calling a day here because I did do some, I think I did like 30 or 40 pips on the 6E and 6N. I think it was like 30 or 45 between the two, but kind of realized this was like shoulder head shoulder pattern. This was like 100% pattern right here. Takes us all the way down to 93. Like I said before, I knew it was going to go up to some degree. You know, just common stuff. You know what I mean? And just really feeling really wonderful and great. If you want to add to, could do. Feel free to give us a call, or if you'd like to do mentoring, figure out how we can find out these exact trades. Especially these wonderful 93.4%, 100% trades. How do we know that it accurately, precisely that the market's moving when it does? People say, well, you can't do that, and actually, yeah, you can do that. Over and over and over again. I do it in videos over and over and over again. I do it in the market over and over and over again. I get the results because of it. Okay, so it's very readable, very accurate, and very precision oriented. These trades are, you know, like I said, these are calculated off of several thousand trades. So 93.4% means that me or one of our team or one of the students have gone over 1,000 plus trades to determine that this is accurate. You know, how would you like to lose 7 times out of 100? You know, or even if it's double and you were going to get 100 trades in a row, and you know, it was 14 times out of 200 that you lost money. Absolutely readable, absolutely determinable, and absolutely accomplishable. So feel free to give us a call. We'd love to chat more, have more conversations. Telephone number is 208-904-2555, or you can contact me at Skype at makingmoneynow123. And remember, if a thing is humanly possible, consider it to be within your reach.